Alright, so today we're going to do a review, and I've already done some swatches of the Caliart 100 alcohol marker set. So let me open this up. Now there are 100 markers in. I just wanted to show you what they look like. And I'm going to tell you what I liked about them and what I don't. I like that it comes in a nice sturdy case. And now these are the swatches. I did 2 sheets of swatches. And I'll turn it so you can see it. Actually, let me move these a little over here. Okay, now the first sheet, I feel like it has a lot of really nice tones and colors of green. I like that the name comes along with it. I think it's a decent amount of blues, but I just wish there were a few that were like a really light sky kind of a blue color. We have a pastel blue and a mint blue, but this one has too much green in it to really be a nice light sky blue. Then over here we have some warm grays and some cool grays. I do like these, but I almost wish that they had one that was more of a mid-tone in these two. And then this one has your blue-gray and your 2 blue-gray colors, and I almost wish that there was a lighter one there also for like a stormy sky. And then we've got some green grays, 2 of them. And then we have a normal black. And so on the next page here, we have some reds, which I think are some nice reds, but I would want more of a lighter toned red. We have a vermilion red, but this looks more to me like an orangey red. Maybe that's what it is. We have some nice peaches, some nice pinks. Maybe one more lighter than this, than their pastel pink. We've got some browns and some very light peaches here. And then right here we have our purples. I almost wish that they had one that was maybe a little bit lighter than the mauve, than this mauve color here. Then we have some nice yellows that go into some yellow ochres and some dark yellow colors there. I think those are pretty nice. And I do like the oranges and the browns and then the black tones. And then we have a really nice it's called din green, and then a green one, and then an olive green. So I think if you're looking for a pack that has a lot of nice greens and blues, I think it's pretty good. The only thing that I found about this that I don't really like is, let's pick a random color here, like this one right here. This one is called right here. It's called Old Red. So let's look here for Old Red. So Old Red, the cap is that color, and this is the color it is swatched. So the caps don't really show you anything, like on pretty much all of them. Let's pick another one. This one is called Forest Green. So let's look on that first sheet. This one is called Forest Green. Forest Green. Let me switch over so I can see really quick. Forest Green. Okay, so yes, this one is called Forest Green here. It's over by the blues. So this color is called Forest Green. And this, well, that one is actually fairly accurate towards the cap, as you can see. but most of them are pretty well off. So these ones have your fine tip like this to get fine little areas, which is very nice. And then the other side has your broad tip, which is like this, which is called your bullet tip. The caps do fit on the other side roughly. Let's try the other side because I know to some people that's an important feature. I don't think I really care. So yeah, the caps do fit on. And the side that is the finer tip, you will have that black line here. They are square, so they're not going to roll as easily. And then you have some little grippies here and the grippies here on those sides. And then this will give like the barcode and then the name of the color. The only thing that I didn't like about these, like I said, is some of these caps. Let me bring these over. Some of these caps do not give an accurate representation of the color behind it. So I suggest with any markers you get, whether they're alcohol markers or watercolor markers, swatch them out on paper. I just use some cheap copy paper. I'll have to swatch them out later on on my Neenah Classic Crest. And this set here also comes with a clear marker, which I have run through each of these swatches that I made to see what the lighter color looks like. And so I hope you enjoyed this quick little review of the Caliart 100 pack. And I think I spent round about, I want to say, around about $40 for the entire set on Amazon. And I do like them, except for the cap not being vindictive of what's on the actual swatches. So please swatch them out. So I'd give them a good solid 4. I hope you enjoyed this review. And as always, have a lovely day, and you are so kind. Thank you. Bye-bye.